Zach Northern, valve technician at Applied Control. For PPE, I recommend wearing disposable gloves, protective eyewear, and steel-toe shoes. Today we're going to be calibrating an EasyDrive actuator after performing service work on the assembly. To communicate with the EasyDrive, we have the Fisher EasyDrive Configurator software already installed on our computer. We're using version 2.1.0-6 today. We recommend always using the latest available version on the Emerson website. We use a USB to 485 device to talk to the actuator. We recommend calibrating after making changes to the motor or the valve packing. Start by accessing the Calibration tab. Then click Calibrate Span. The valve should automatically start calibrating itself. Look at the position indicator to make sure you're getting the full travel. Here's a closer look at that indicator. On your screen, you should see that the valve was calibrated or not calibrated, and list of errors if any. On our screen here, you can see the valve was calibrated and there are no errors or alerts, so this exercise was a success. Next, we're going to move over to the Control tab to check the valve control. Select what percentage you'd like to move the valve, for example 50% or 26%. This can also depend on what control method you have selected and which license are installed on the board. When the valve passes your quality tests, it's ready to be put back in service. If you have any questions about this process or run into a problem not covered in this video, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information will be posted at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. As always, it's a pleasure serving the Rocky Mountain area.